Uncle Benny. And here's Uncle Efren. And here's Uncle Al. And here's Reese. What's her name? Cecile.
That's me, bad man.
Sino pala mo? Ako ko? Asin mo to. Ako masisira yung... Action yan eh. Action yan.
Ay, ayoko niyan eh. Ayoko niyan.
Nahilo yata. Action.
Nahilo yan. That's so true.
Si Raul eh. Makita eh.
Hello.
Papalo.
I can see.
Dapat forward mo nga. Wala pang action eh.
Ang laki naman nito.
Come on, when are you gonna make movies?
Right there.
Yeah, I'm making it now.
Movie pa rin. Ano ba siya pa naman? Action.
Action yan.
Mas may action pa yun eh.
Ano, betrayed? Yeah.
Bitin naman nata yan.
You still have that shirt? Close Encounter of the Third Kind?
What?
Yep. Close Encounters of the Third Kind.
Ha? Let's move.
Ay, man, kuya naman.
Malusog. Ako ay ka.
Diyan ka. Diyan tama na yun. Kita mo may kapain.
Where's yung Jeff? Wala yung ba? Nasa likod ko yun.
That's Raul, the weird guy. And that's Alfredo.
Look at my chest. Pagaling yung kabayan. Kaya pinabalik sa ulo yung kabayan gusto mamamatay mo. Joan, go.
Ba't kaya gano'n ng kabayo nga, no? Barilin mo sa paa. Matutumba na lang, patay na yun. Tumba na yun.
Kaya basta kabayan na mamamatay na.
Ganyan po rin, no? Naka-school lang.
Got a big face, boy. Forget that. Look, nagpapaganda lalaki talaga eh. Nagpapaganda lalaki talaga eh.
Kapal ng mukha nito, man. Kapal ng mukha. Kaya ginagawa mo, Diyos.
Isa-record to. Ba't ang labo?
Yun lumayo ka, ilapit-lapit mo.
Ayan. Hello.
Kita ba yung
Yeah. Kuha ka. Teka lang, yung buko natatak eh. Yan.
Yung buko natatak, teka yung sana nga.
Ako na lang gusto Raul.
Ayan na. Teka lang, niluluto. Angelito, what's up, my buddy? Ako, inay muscle, oh. Si Val, quiet dun, eh, oh. Raul, you sure look ugly today, huh?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Sa TV.
Sumali pa siya yun.
Wala, nabibigyan niya yung babae. Ayun ko ba? Yesterday's girls were like, hey, doon pa tayo, eh, oh. Hey, wala. Nabibigyan siya yung
After that talk, man. Hindi na tumatawag siya. After that conversation. Hindi na tumatawag siya. I'm gonna change it, though. The best change. Si Nanek, maganda na ha.
Nasaan si nanay?
Si Nanek, maganda na. Ano pa? Naku, ano eh.
Si nanay ba yun? Kala ko siya si Gemma.
Maganda na si Nanay ha.
Nay. Nag-i-stocking pa eh.
Tapos mo.
Naku, pogi ni Raul dito ah. Nak tinuli eh oh.
Ano, ayaw tuwid ako na.
Last year.
Niluluto.
Nak.
Siguro pagka nakalagay yung bote na yun, mas mabigat yun. Pero mas mabigat yung yung bumaksak dito. Talagang...
Raul, ngiti muna. Nak, nakahart yan ako kay Raul eh. Nakangalay pala to eh. Punta lang ako kay Jet. Kaya Bensit. Nagre-record, niloloko mo. Oh.
Ano ka record?
Yeah.
Nangyari ito?
Oh.
Record nga. Pero pinapire mo film mo.
Ako naman.
Ano ka? Ako ginagawa. Oy, ginagawa na. Patay mo na yan. Ano? Ito. Rito.
Hindi, maganda yung kahapon. Talagang tawa kami.
Dito.
Noon.
Oo. Meron akong gout.
Noon.
Usap na lang tayo.
Hindi natin nagamit tayo.
May kapay ako eh.
Ito, tumingin.
Rito.
Mga pilipino.
Hindi. Basta ganun lang kayo. Tapos, buhay ang job sa akin.
Hindi naman niletik eh, tayo.
Hindi mo pa ako nakikinig.
Kunyari, pero mahina. Kaya ako sabi sa'yo eh.
Ikaw ka naman. Wow.
Ano ko?
Gusto ka naman na concept, bro? Yan. Short lang pa rin yun. Wala siya. Pero,
Tuloy mo na naman pagkaya.
Ito na, naka-record na.
walang green eh. Walang ilaw dito.
Ito na eh.
Nakita ko na ganito. Ay, si Joy po nagpiprito. Niya ay... Isa lang mo daw namin, isa lang mo. Kami ate Joy, isa lang mo eh. Hindi pa ako nasa naman. Pagkakot daw, yun na lang mo daw, sabi niya eh. Akin na lang mo din. Asya na, kakain ka na?
Tapos na kami. Nanay. Who's this guy with a mustache? It is Val. Val, give that looks.
No action.
Raul. Whoa, you gave it that look. Bacabra.
Look at the system for the... What? What? No. Baka yung background. Yun,
Nanay.
Yeah, but this... I'm a Christian. Okay, what is it? ESPN. Elaine. International Sport Specific News. There you go.
Kuha nyo, nayakan po yung kay malaki ni Jim. Si Jem.
Oo nga, si Pan natin part ko sa Pilipinas.
Jem. Nak.
Tama na ay.
Tama na.
Ano ba yan? Isama na yan.
I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna put it together tonight, and then tomorrow.
Ako naman.
Where are you going? My friend, get over there, man. Get over there. Where do we go?
Are you taking it?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Come on, go inside there. Take my app. Take my app. Take my app right there. Take my app. Yeah, the one with the pink. You're taking it.
Okay.
Here. So we show it to her. Alright, let's go.
Excuse me, I'm going to take pictures of that. Okay.
He told me.
He left. Arvin!
He told Cristiano. He told me. He said he's not gonna play basketball.
Yeah, what's up?
Man.
Oh, he said, hey, cool. Hey, Bang. Where you going? Walk it up.
See? So he said yes. He said yes. I didn't say nothing, man. What are you talking about?
That's the old hockey right there, man.
That was Efren and Alfredo talking about. What's wrong with you two, man? You're in church, man.
We're talking about her. Just after the
Why don't you tell her first? Why don't you tell her first?
Hi. Smile. Let's go.
I think you're on the way, man. I'm gonna get a picture.
We need a ride, dude. Dude, we need a ride.
Where? Let's go HI. Go HI. Inside? Ayun, ate ko. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here.
We're gonna help you out. We're gonna help you out.
Bye.
Don't forget to ride.
Yes. All right, and you can give it all over.
Riley.
So what?
Ciao, great.
Oh. How long? What's up? All right, Renee, what? What's up, Renee?
Hey, bring that on Thursday, alright?
Huh?
Wednesday, it's the appointment. Bring it
Yeah, I'm bringing it Wednesday.
What time? I'll be there around 3:30, man.
It's your birthday.
Are we going now? My district G leader. No. Hey, what's up? Oh.
No red!